Hey, what I've got to share here with you today is a holster I've designed and built for the Powertac flashlight. This one's for the E5 model. It's I did it in 2015, so it's been quite a few years. Would that be 7 years now? And so you can see this is a polyimide material that's been dyed black, and I had it rendered at iMaterialize in Berlin. So it's with using a selective laser sintering process. And so it's very durable and rugged. These have been in service for 7 years, and you can see the only issues are a slight amount of wear on the hard edges here. So I'll show you how it works. It's a fairly superior design compared to what Powertac offers. And the reason is it's got this brass spring-loaded release here, and this brass piece is also 3D printed as well. And what it does is it captures the flashlight in this housing here, and you can easily release the flashlight just by pressing the button, and it comes right out. The flashlight is captured by this waist of this the narrow waist on this flashlight right in this area here. And when you want to insert it, you just simply click it back into place, and it's retained positively. This thing has never fallen out in the 7 years I've carried it. And the other thing that's really cool about this, or vertically like that, or any way you want, I usually carry it horizontally and wear it so I can swing the flashlight around and have it be pointing straight ahead at my waist level. And I can push the on-off button is here in the back, so I can turn the flashlight on and off, and also control the features through this button here. It's a really handy mount to have. And again, this is made by a selective laser sintering process using Polyimide. It's similar to like a nylon. It's very durable. And then the brass here is a 3D printed brass, and you can see there's a little bit of detail there in the brass. The first one I made was just by hand. I'll show you, this is the first prototype here. And I actually just made this brass piece myself using 16th inch, or I think it's 1/8 inch brass stock. And it just took a little filing and all to get that right. But once I knew this was a good idea, and I found out that iMaterialize can print metal. They can do this in titanium, stainless steel, aluminum, brass, bronze, a lot, and also in plastics. The idea of the brass contacting the aluminum shell here of the flashlight, that makes a very strong connection. I don't believe it's ever gonna wear this on your shoulder if you happen to have shoulder straps, but very handy. And also when you can also just lay the flashlight down on the table and it won't roll away because it has a flat surface here. And so I just wanted to share this. This is a prototype that I made for Powertac, and it's the Powertac E5, which I'm not sure if they still make the Powertac E5, but similar designs could be made with other flashlights that they produce. And there's actually just 3 parts on this flashlight mount. There's the shell, or the shell of it. There's the brass release button, and then there's actually 4 parts. Brass release button. There's a spring, very small spring that's down in this recess here that is the spring-loaded component here. And then there's a very small pin that goes in the front there that you put the brass piece down and you can push the pin in. And there's also a hole here on the back that you can disassemble it. You can drive the pin out if you need to ever remove it. So the pin can be driven out this way, but it's assembled in from this way, and it's just a small stainless steel pin that keeps the brass retainer retained into the housing here.